Skankiopia.
Yep. What's up?
That's the name?
No, it's it's Skankopita.
That was very close. What compelled that
What
to be
is
the
it?
case? No, what compelled that to be the case?
I'm Greek, and my favorite food is spanakopita. And it's funny to call it Skankopita.
Okay, yeah, that's absolutely fair. What is this? This food? I might be uncultured. This is Jake. Do you guys serve this in the
Spinach
restaurant?
Here I go.
Spinach pie?
Yeah, I'm not
sounds
sure how many
gross.
Greek things we have.
I don't know. I like pies. Pie crust is
Yeah.
delicious.
It's not sweet. Oh, there's people right here, right here.